Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Learn to Code with Aditi. So today I am going to write the code and also explain the algorithm for this jumping on the clouds revisited problem which is there in problem solving section of HackerRank. It is an easy level problem and I am going to write the code in Java. But before that, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Let me give you a very small overview of this problem. We are given with an energy value, with an array and a k value. So basically it is a cloud problem in which a character has to jump from one cloud to another based on this condition. So let me take this example and explain you the situation. In this particular case, we have 4 clouds, the value of k is 2 and total energy is 100 as always. So initially the character is on the 0th index and it has to jump upon the condition I plus k modulo n. So if we calculate the first index or the cloud on which he has to jump for the first time, then it will be I plus k. The value of I is 0, the value of k is 2. If we will take the modulo of these two with n, that is 4, then it will be 2. So he will jump upon the cloud with index 2. This is the first step. He will lose 3 units of energy because for each jump he has to lose 1 unit of energy, and if it is a thundercloud, because 2 is a thundercloud denoted by red color, then he will lose extra 2 units of energy. Then for the next step, if we calculate the cloud index, then it will be 2 plus 2 and modulo taken by 4. So 4 modulo 4 is 0. So again he goes back to the first cloud or the 0th cloud, we can say, initial cloud. And as it is not the thunder cloud, then he lose only 1 unit of energy. So the total energy loss will be 3 units for the first time and 1 unit for the second time, which is 4 units. So in total he has to lose only 4 units of energy out of total 100 units of energy. So he'll lose 100 minus 4, that is 96 units of energy in total. So as you have understood the walkthrough of the concept, then I should explain you the algorithm for this problem. So the algorithm is, take a variable e for storing energy value, that is 100. Now define a do while loop. We are using do while loop because we have to start with the index 0 of the cloud index. Because initially the character is at 0th index, and if we will take a while loop, then it will not run because here we are taking the condition as index not equal to 0. So we will define a do while loop with the condition of cloud index not equal to 0 because the game ends when the cloud index becomes 0. If the value at cloud index is 1, then it is a thunder cloud. So we have to decrease additional 2 units of energy with 1 unit of energy when the character moves from one cloud to another. Now after this loop, we have to return the value of energy. So now let's go and write the code. Here we are given with all the inputs and everything. We have to just write this function and return the value of energy. Or let us take it as e, whose initial value is 100. Then we should take a variable n, whose value is c dot length, the length of the array. Then k is available to us. Now we are going to define a do while loop. And we are going to keep the condition as cloud index. That also we have to define ci. Initial value is 0 because the character is at 0th index at the first. Now in the do while loop, we have to use this if condition to check if the cloud is thunder cloud or not. So in this array called c, we will use this condition I plus k modulo n is equal to 1. If it is true, then it is a thunder cloud. So we have to decrease 2 units of energy. And we have to decrease 1 unit of energy after each iteration. And after each iteration, we have to change the cloud index also because the character will jump upon this cloud I plus k modulo n. And then lastly, we have to return this E variable. And yes, this is not I, this is Ci, the cloud index. Here also this is Ci. Now let's go and run the code. Sample test cases are clear. Now let's submit the code. And all test cases are clear. Please tell me in the comment section if I need improvements, and please watch all of my other solutions to HackerRank problems also, and let's meet in the next video with another HackerRank challenge or any other challenge. And also tell me if you want me to solve any other challenge. Thank you very much, and please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.